Here we are, we're going to make the mid part of a coin die to get the reading. We've got a little piece of graphite plate, 4mm, thereabouts. Let's see how it goes. Time to put some glasses on and crank on the laser. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, it's warm. There's the centre bit we don't need. That's really warm. And that's the ring. So as we can see, there's the reading in there. These edge bits we'll just remove. So it will fit into the mould. And now we have the centre part of the mould that will go on that part. We then take that part that's got the sprue in it and a little basin, pop it there. We're going to put the metal in there and it's all going to melt into and hopefully form us a coin. And now we're going to assemble the mould. A nice flat round piece of stock, unmarred. Falls nicely in. The 4mm reeded middle part of the mould. And the top section again, nice and smooth, but with space to put the metal that we'll cast into the coin mould. And that's it, fully assembled. So now time to weigh out the load. I know from my notes I need 56 grams that will end up making a 50-gram silver coin. So I've got some old sterling silver coins, bit of leftover from last time, and we have a total of 56.1 grams. Going to pop all of that onto the crucible and we're good to melt. The crucible is starting to glow red on the inside of the moulds, but the metal itself is still a dark colour, so let's help it along a bit. Well, here we go, the coin's out of the mould, got a bit of a sprue to cut off. Came out fairly okay. The surface finish is great. The question's really going to be how flat and parallel are the two surfaces, but so far so good. Using a jeweler's saw instead of a hacksaw, or my first attempt with this was using a cut-off wheel on an angle grinder. You waste a lot less silver this way. Okay, we're just going to use the linisher to just knock down the sprue before we burnish it up and see what we've got. Okay, a little bit of burnishing powder. In she goes. Okay, let's see how it looks then. There you go, surface looks pretty good. The readings, not too bad. It's not as sharp as you can get out of other metals like pewter or zinc based casting alloys, but both of those feel a lot lighter in the hand And there's something about silver that's just cool. Well, I really wish I had my mill for this, but that's a couple of months away, because I hate sanding and I will end up sanding it out of true. So surface is solid, the reading looks good, no surface defects, and it's ready to go. The coin comes up to 52.5. The bit of the sprue that we cut off takes it up to about 54. And we had a loss of about 2 grams in sanding and sawing, so about 3.6%, which is actually pretty good. The question is, what am I going to engrave?